And we are live. So here for live stream 239. Wow, another down day in NQ. More selling here, all the way down to this weekly high from some time ago. Let's just see what the this move was. This move was 304 points. Would expect something similar over here on. Yes. Appears to be the case. Not necessarily 300 points, but pretty close. 55. So, well, that's happening. Oh my. I missed a trade. Oh well, so is life. So gold came down to the previous day's low, which was 36.1. Buyer stepped in. PDL. The previous day's low. Buyer stepped in. Drove us up to the previous day's close. Or is it the open? 45. That's the open. Previous day's open. Up at 45.4. Let's put it as a daily open. Found sellers there. So we came down to the, let's take this off. This was a high from some time ago. Came down to the previous day's low. Found support down there. All the way up to the previous day's close. Previous day's open also has the VWAP and the 200. Over on NQ. Let's see what this is. What is this? So this is a prior day's low. I'll take a long here. Going to target the 203s. 22,003. She's saying 930, but that's not right. $38. %, is 22,093. 22,093. It's 93.25. We'll leave it there. So it's not this previous day's previous week's high that was actually Actually, I wasn't really paying attention to that previous week's high. So it seems we're getting up to that 22,003. That was my initial target, but well, we got up to that 22,003. Maybe I should take it off up there. Maybe I should. I'll take it off. Let's talk about... Oh my. It's at 17. Goodness me. Oh my. Missed the gold trade 2 candles ago. So, oh golly. Should have been short there. Let's see if it comes back. All these buyers stepping in. Let's see if we can get back in. So, let's talk about what I was actually looking at. I was looking at the previous day's low. Seeing at 951. 951. So that's the previous day's low. And I decided to choose a conservative target there at 22,003. Because there is the thought of it going up to the 93s. Not sure if it wants to do that. Oh my. Well, that's interesting. Actually, let's cancel this. Notice something interesting on the old... So the order came back and filled us on gold. Let's get a gold chart up. Yeah, it's going to be in the bottom right here. And what's the previous day's low? Let's see. 36.1. 9 ticks brings us up to 37. Let's do 37. We're going to target 37. Stop at 47.1. 47.1. Okay, so that's our gold trade. Over on NQ. That's the previous day's low. Current range is 304.75 on NQ. Current range on ES is 55. And the current range on gold is 34.6. VIX is somewhat it's positive, which means it's negative. And let's think about this. Let's see, we're going to add... I'm going to do something here. $9.68. So, oh, of course. Gold is having some difficulties. Of course it would. So let's think about this. I'm having some difficulties over there on gold. Sorry, this was at 968. This was a weekly. This was a weekly high over on 968 from last week. Not last week, it would have been the week before. Over on ES, we've got previous day's low sitting at 102.75. 102.75. We can see the highs there were at 102.25. You can see on the right hand side here. That was these highs, 102.25, so 2 ticks below. Thinking of shorting NQ here. But we've got the previous day's low, the high from a couple of weeks ago. You know what? Let's go for it. Let's target 52.75. 52.75. Let's go with 53. 25.75. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that is bad risk reward. Oh, that is terrible. That is terrible risk reward. Well. So, over here, looking at a move up to that previous day's close or open, whatever it is. Seems I'm going to lose across both. You know what? I'm going to wait. Oh my. Yes, looks a lot more bullish. No. Don't like yes. Took it off for a loss there. because I don't like the look of ES. Because we would be lost 4 there. I'll be shortening to previous. Targeting 52. So this will be oh golly. There he goes to the 68. Should have just stuck with the trade idea. I suppose now. Oh, no. That's what I meant to do. Take that long. To the 93s. $30.75. So this is banking on the previous day's low down here holding. Nothing stops this market from continuing to sell. You know what? Let's have a look at the economic calendar. Make sure we're not getting anything wrong. Existing home sales. Bit of disappointment there. Is this selling as part of a bigger selling? Seeing buyers come back in here. It's not what I want to see. You know what? I'm going to close that there. Take the loss on gold. Wait for it to set up again. Stop was up at 47.1. 47.1. Where is red? Got blue. That's where the stop was. Let's see if we get there. Perfectly willing to reload. Perfectly willing to reload. Think I'm seeing what I need to see here to take a long on ES. Yeah, definitely seeing what I want to see. I'm going to take the long there. Going to target the 102.75s. 102.75s. 89.50. It's a lot bigger than I'd like. 89.50. That is a huge stop. That is a terrible stop. That's terrible. It's almost an inverted risk reward, that. Okay, 102.75. Why did I take this trade? So this trade was based off, what is that? Oh, it's the weekly 50%. So we've got the weekly 50% level at the 80.50s. We're about to be targets, about to be hit here. 2 ticks from target, 1 tick from target. 102.50. Come on, go pick us up. You know what? I'm not letting 2 ticks cost me here. See, on the right hand side of the screen, slowly heading towards that 47.1, which where the stop would have been on a gold trade. Oh, come on. ES, go and get the 102.75. Golly. Anyway, let's talk about the reason I took this trade. So this trade was based off the... Oh my word. Wow. Oh, what was that? Let's see what that alert is. Yep, so here we are. Gold would have been stopped out. Had to stop at 47.1. So getting out early there certainly paid. Bit of an issue over here on, oh my gosh, ES. Am I going to have to start taking profits a tick early? Anyway, yeah, either go and fill me or kill me. So let's talk about the reason I took this trade. We had previous weekly 50% level sitting at 80. Yeah. Oh my gosh, he's gonna flipping come all the way back. This is great. Oh, this is fantastic. $89.50. No. No. Oh, goodness me. Anyway, so previous week's 50% level is at 80.50. 80.50. Let's I guess I'm gonna have to make it. So we're going to, let's just make it here. It has to be a dashed line. Apply. Let's make it. I think they're about 8, I believe. Or is that too obnoxious? No, 8's too much. Let's do 6. Yeah, that works. Let's save it. Previous week's mid. Oh, target filled. So that's that target there on ES. We're not allowed to. Are we not allowed? Yeah, 50%. We saved that. Okay. So target's filled there. So we're up on gold. We're up on, not up on gold, up on ES, up on NQ, down on gold. Well, hold on a second here. We may be able to take a long on gold here. Let's think about this. Let's see. 2 candles ago. So not the previous candle, the prior candle. Okay. You can take a long. Okay. Okay. So currently long gold But let's talk about our ES position. So the ES position, we've got the previous week's midpoint. Previous week midpoint. And all that is the 50% between the week's high and the week's low. And this is the previous day's low. So let's make sure I write that down as a PDL. Previous day's low. And what we did was we got a Fibonacci. We drew it from the previous day's low down to the previous week's midpoint. I then got the 50% level. I dislike this Fibonacci. I really do. There's a 50%. Price came down to that 50%. Buyers came in, went long, targeted the previous day's low, which is this red line. So after seeing price come down into that 50% between the two levels, went long and took profits at the very next level, which was a previous day's low. And that's the reason why I went long there on ES. So right now I'm actually long in gold, and I'm going to target, even though we pulled back a little bit before it, around the 54 level, 954, we've got previous day's close, previous day's midpoint. Okay. Previous day's low and previous day's midpoint. Let's see which one's which here. So previous day's midpoint. Yep. Previous day's close. Okay. Okay, previous day's close, previous day's midpoint. See, we are in, it's about whether I take profit here. Because up at 22 would be 50%. Choices. Do I think this is going to retrace all the way back? Anyway, let's go back to ES. No, not ES. Gold. Yeah. So over on gold. Let's take the close off. Let's take the... No. Let's take the close off. Okay, so previous day's close, looking at 54.6. This prior high is at 54.3. So it's at 54.6. 54.6. So we'll target 54. And for management, 42.4. 42.4. So we'll see here. So our goal position is going to be the bottom right, and we're going to move to the left of center. Again, we've got this 22 here. You know what? Let's take this 22 off. It's 22.50. Let's see, 22. Let's do 22.75. Come and pick us up. Let's do 23. So close to 50 there. Might as well do the 50, right? 24, 25. Who knows? I may come to regret this. Who knows? Let's go with the 24, 25. Let's see if this market can pay me. Oh, what is that? That's not right. Ah, come on. 6 points away. Okay. Why is it saying sign into chat? Why do I have to sign in? Oh, this is horrible. I sort of already set up my... What is OBS doing? Next. Are you for real? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Oh my word. Oh, hold on a sec. Let's see. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Are you for real? Are you for real right now? So, I should have took the profits, mate. Should have took the profits. Anyway, we'll see how that works out. So that's a previous day's low. Sure. Where is the target here? Up at 54. $20 seconds to go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. 5 seconds. I'm going to take a short. I'm going to take a short as a rejection of that previous day's low on ES here. Looking for that move down to 91.50. That 50% level. 91.50. Why is that telling me about fucking market sell? I don't give a kick rocks. I don't care about. Oh my gosh, why is it telling me about? Anyway, let's see. 107. 107 essentially. 107. Oh, goodness me. I couldn't have recognized this sooner. I would have been out of this and I'd be in a good place. Let's see what the signs were. Broke these highs with difficulty. Difficulty, difficulty, difficulty. Let's see. You know what? It's being really aggressive to short this, but I'm taking it off. It was a difficult decision right there, but it's a difficult decision, but it had to be made. So 2 prior candles. Yeah, that's not right. Current candle, one candle back, the candle back. So it'll be this one for an aggressive short. Let's get the ES chart up. Where's the ES? Is it this one? Yeah. Let's see if it comes back and fills me. I'm not really a fan of the short though. I'm not really a fan of the short. Something about it I don't like. Okay, we got out at 85. Let's see if I can get in at 75. Alright, let's try to get back in where we got out. Just in case this is just a minor pullback. Okay. Do we want to? Yeah, let's take it. Let's see, what's VIX doing? Let's keep an eye on VIX. What's our friends over at VIX doing? Let's see. Okay. Maybe wrong on both counts now. Out of 85. Oh, wow. So the shorts off the previous day's low. Ah, they got me out in a retracement. You know what? Oh. Wow. Chased it. I chased it there. What was that? 22 points higher. I got up to 29. So did say it was at 23, didn't we? Eventually sell for 24. Oh. How did I mess that up? How did I mess that up? Let's see. 24. making a mess of this. Look, we don't need that to get all the way up there. We just need this to get... Are you for real? This just needs to get up to there. 24. 25, 25. That's what I got it as. 25, 25. I'm going to have to take off the flipping ES for a loss. Top right. Oh, come on. Come on. Well, at least the gold is going for us. This looks like it's going to have to be taken off. Yeah. Oh, what are we doing? Gotta wait. Golly, can't take it off. Gold is within striking distance of target. Thing about it is, so retested the previous day's low on ES here. Oh, am I gonna have to? Golly. See, 31. See, that's just messed the whole thing up. Oh my gosh, man. Come on. Ah. You know, I'm taking it off. I'm taking that off. I'm not waiting for it to get up to that 107 or whatever it is. 107. Took this for 24 points less. Like, what in the world? Oh, yeah. Oh, of course. See, how did that get? How did ES go up there? And NQ just stole. Maybe we should stick to that 93. Oh, 10 seconds to go. Let's get ready here. Taking along. Okay. Gold is heading higher. Came within striking distance there. 4 ticks away. Got to 53.6. 53.8. We're 2 ticks away. So 2 ticks from our target here on gold. Oh, come on. 6 ticks away. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What in the world is going on? Anyway, so we can monitor gold in the bottom right here. One 131.25. 131.25. 98. That's pretty tight. What in the world? Oh, come on. Fruit Loops. What in the Fruit Loops is this? 2 ticks from target? Come on. Oh, of course, now ES ain't working. Great. And the chase on NQ is not working. Even better. Even better. So realized 7. What in the world? What happened over here? Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, it all got to 22s. Jeez. Louise, man. Okay. We're getting ready to switch. No, that's not changing. Gone short here. Over on ES. Looking for that 91.50. 106.75. So the old stop. Trying to stay patient with this gold here. So we're back down to break even. See, the thing is, fuck me, man. Like this. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna have to hold it, you know. Hopefully we can pick that up. Hold on, why is gold not in the right place? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What in the... Fucking... What in the world is OBS doing? Hmm. Problem I've got is I was looking for this to come down to target and then this turn around. Problem I've got is this is pulling back and this is not. Oh my word. Hmm. My word. Now this is pulling back. Jeez Louise. Goodness me. The issue at the moment with the short ES and the long NQ is ES profit is 3 times less than the NQ loss. And I didn't make the adjustment quick enough. Over on NQ. Gold is somewhat independent. Currently we came within 2 ticks of target, even after I've adjusted the target. So, even after I adjusted the target, we came within 2 ticks. Couldn't make it up. Can't deal with. Oh my gosh. How do I watch my own? I'll figure out how to watch my own live stream. Because this chat is not working. Hmm. Really would have thought gold seems so strong to get to target. Where is that target? It's not even the higher day. It's not even the higher day. I have the target set at 54. Highs there at 54.3. Price got to 53.8. And just causing me a headache. Just causing me a headache. Yes, is no better. But it appear that we put in a lower high on NQ. So we'd really need to see prices get above this 52.3. Well, essentially 52.4. And close there on this chart. If we don't, could be in some serious trouble. Let's see what's happening with NQ. NQ doesn't look favorable here. Struggle to get away from this weekly high. What's VIX? VIX is flat. So this gold here, we need to see get above that bottom right. Get above that 52.4. See, we struggle to get away from this 68. Oh, hold on, what's happening over there? Just tested the highs on gold. Seems that we can't get to target without getting to stop here, which is problematic. You know what? I'm taking that off. That's enough of that. I'm not letting it come down to 31. I gave it enough of a chance. I lost essentially 52 on it. Down 25. That FOMO chase right there, very costly. Looking for 91.75. Definitely could have switched my bias over there on NQ. So we got to 92.50. 4 ticks from target. Losing essentially 26 there. Unacceptable, considering how long it took to get down there. Gotta think about better management. Just crossing at 52.4 on gold, bottom right. Seems we've got an important level at 52.9, 3 ticks away over on gold, bottom right. Down at 93, 92.50 again. 4 ticks from target over here on ES. So the ES is going to be in the top right. Gold is going to be on the bottom right. Seems I'm about to get a short here. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Just gone short there. $82.50. Let's have a look at ES. 4 ticks from target. Target filled there on ES. So realized 15. Continue selling to the downside. Need to draw up the target here on NQ. Target is down at 888.25. 888. It's down at 888.25. Make sure I can get it right here. 888.25. Stops about 82.50. Very next level we're targeting is 919. Then the 888.25. Up at 53.3. 54.6. Let's get a look at gold. 3 ticks, 1 tick away. Just got a 53.9. We're 1 tick away. See if we can pick that up. 53.8. Broke the previous highs by 1 tick. Well, so let's move up to 54. Let's see. 3 ticks, 1 tick. Come on. Just got down to the 920s there. Very first level we're looking at on NQ. Oh, come on, gold. Oh, goodness me. Gold, gold, gold. 1 tick away. Let's not pull back again. Looking at that 904 next on NQ. Let's see if we can pick these up. After, if we do pick up this 888.25, I'll show you what I was looking at for this target. Let's see if we can get the 904s. Yep, got the 904s. Looking for that 88.25. Looking for a quick flush here. There we go. 96, 8 points away. 95, 7 points away. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Let's go and pick us up. 7 points, 5 points away. We just got down to 93. Come on. Oh, come on. I don't want to see a strong bounce out of this area. I really want to get picked up here at 88.25. Got as low as 92. There we go. Target filled. So we got filled there on what's our instrument now? This is NQ. Picked up 29. Lost far too much over here. Lost 26. Now the only thing left is gold. Let's see if we can get one tick above these previous highs. Pick up 54, 53.8. Let's pick up these 2 ticks here. Then I can call it a day. Come on. 4 ticks. 3 ticks. 2. Oh, golly. Golly. Oh, you're kidding me. And gold is kill. Gapped up. Sold first. So we should buy through. Should buy through here. We gapped up. We sold first. So we should then buy. We did see the buying there, but it didn't get to the target. It didn't get to the target. What did we get to? 53.9. Oh, you're kidding me. 1 tick. I'm waiting for this 1 tick to end the day. It's always the case, isn't it? Just 1 tick. So we're starting to see a bit of a recovery here on ES. I could imagine it's going to be the same on NQ. Yeah. I'm hoping that doesn't translate. Oh my gosh. We came into the highs on gold. I'm hoping we don't see the what would you call it? We see buying across the equities and selling across gold. That's what I'm hoping I don't see here. Especially as we've come to these highs, a great area to sell. An area that's proved itself before. All I'm looking for is just 1 tick, but it seems we've got a bit of a double top there. Got to that 53.9, selling, 53.9, selling. Previously got to 53.8. Had a gap up buy all the way into the 53.9. Sold down to the 52s. Just want to see the 54s here. These highs are 54.3, 3 ticks below at 54. Maybe it's a bad placement to place a take profit. Maybe I should have stuck with 53.8. Maybe. So what would that be? That'll be like 2 ticks. No, we've already stuck with 54. Let's not change it now. Oh my word. 53.6, 4 ticks away. Hopefully on this move up, we can clear the 54s and be done for the day. 53.8, 2 ticks. Oh, come on, get these 2 ticks. What are we doing here? I've got so much to do. Just close near the highs. Come on. And it's selling straight away. Oh my gosh, man. 53.8, golly. 53.8, 53.9. Someone's hanging around there, being a pain in the back. Anyway, so we've got up at 54.6, we've got the previous day's close. 54.6. Why is that not on there? Template load. Same color. Oh my word. What is this? Why here? It's not even the higher day. It's not even the higher day. Am I missing something? It feels like I am. It certainly feels like I am. $54.6. Do we do it? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Because our friend over on gold here is causing us so much issues. Because why would you go 53.8, get to 53.9, what, 3 times? And then pull back 1 tick? Like, what is that about? Anyway, so we'll keep gold in the bottom right hand side of the screen. We'll go over and look at the NQ trade, why we took it. So on NQ, got a previous day's low. And got the previous week's close. 825.75. 825. Oh, let's put it at 826. Look at this nonsense over on gold. Anyway, so let's so this would be, let's put this as a 6. And this is a dash apply. Yeah, that counts. And we'll save it as previous week's close. So that's saved as a previous week's, oh no, previous week close. So we save that and we'll just write it on here. previous week's close. So that's the previous week's close. So why did I take the trade I did on NQ through here? Took a Fibonacci from the previous day's low down to the previous week's close. So the previous day's low, which is the PDL, down to the previous week's close, which is the PWC. 50% of that takes us down to 888, essentially where I drew at the time using my other software was at 888.25. And as we can see, I got filled control 888.25, and the lows is 888. So one tick, and from that one tick, so we can see where the target was filled there. Oh, let's have a look at gold. Let's go back to gold for. Let's see. Hopefully, we can get filled here. Let's see if we can get filled here on gold. Yeah, gold has been silly. Gold is just being silly. Well, gold is in the bottom right. Let's get back to NQ. So, over on NQ, that's what we did. The 50% of the previous week's close, prior day's low, and that's where to put a target at 88.25. Price came down to 88, one tick below, got filled, and from there we've seen a bit of a bounce there. So from the 88 to these highs, we've had a 44-point bounce there. So that was the thinking of the NQ trade. That's the reason I took it. Paid far too much here though. This losing trade, should not have taken it. I got out here, not part of the plan. Got out, thought price was going to retrace even more. Chased it up, thought I was having a bit of FOMO that prices would head into the 22,093s, and ended up closing the position there. So we're definitely done on NQ for the day. We also finished on ES. What was it, ES? Oh, so ES was a similar trade. I believe I explained it, but ES, this is a prior week's midpoint. So let's put it on there. Previous week. I'm sure really on there already actually. PWM. I am sure. Oh, there it is. It's over here. Okay. So previous week's midpoint. Prior day's low. Fibonacci. 50%. Price came down, took a short, targeted that 50% level. And that was that most recent trade I took there on ES. So that's all it is. And the reason I've decided to target 50% of the levels is because what I was noticing was I was trying to take trades towards the levels, and depending on how the size of the level between, oh, let's go over to gold. Depending on the size of the distance, well, depends on the distance between the levels, prices were getting to the 50% and turning around. So I decided to use a Fibonacci and target 50% of the levels. So that was the thinking behind it. I'll also talk about it on the NQ trade where I did mess up on the long. Trying to see if I'm going to get filled. Oh my gosh, see if I can get filled here on this. Oh my word. Gold is a nightmare. Looking for this 54 on gold is an absolute nightmare. Got to 53.6, 4 ticks away, and we've come back. Absolute nightmare. Selling's continued there. Over on NQ, you can see it there on the ES. Oh, what in the world is this? Oh my word, look at that. Huh. Anyway, while our friend over at while our friend over on gold continues to cause us issues, let's talk about where I messed up on NQ. So on NQ, I should draw the level on there. Where's the level? Where is the level? Ah, there it is. Where is that? 93.25. So over on NQ here, up at 93.25. Let's see. Thursday. Oh, even more selling there on ES and NQ. So I don't have. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that selling, taking out the lows. So this is going to be, we'll keep it there, apply, and we're going to save this as, starting to look, seems like we want prior day mid. Prior days mid, save, okay. Let's see if we get filled here. 7 ticks away. $53.8, 2 ticks away. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, come on. Let's not do this gold. Let's pick up the 54 so we can end the day. Two ticks away. Let's break the back of the bears at 53.9. Probably going to go up. There we go. Fantastic. And we are out of this gold trade. Now let's get back to NQ. So we've got prior day's midpoint. So prior day mid. So that's the 50% between the previous day's high, previous day's low, midpoint. So what I did, what did I draw there? There was a level prior day's low. Oh, that's in the wrong place. That's why. So this is up at 93.25. Prior day's midpoint. So this initial long that I did take, that took off as prices came back, was targeting that 93.25, which would be the 50% level of the previous day. Now, I got out as it came back, price went up, felt FOMO, got in, and was looking for price to head up. It turned around, there was opportunities to get out. Finally decided to get out here at 56, rather than where the stop would have been down at 31, which would have been hit, of course, in hindsight. But this is where I did mess up. There was, in fact, a short, because if we draw a Fibonacci from, because I actually had it on the other chart, if we drew the Fibonacci from the previous day's mid to the prior day's low, the 50% takes us up to 22.25, and this is where I was having the difficulties thinking whether I should have just taken profits there or hold all the way to the level. Well, price came there, thought about it, price came down, thought about taking it off, didn't, got back in. Well, I took it off there after bringing the order down to 24.25. Wasn't filled. Took it off there out of frustration. Chased it. Price did get to that 50%. Oh wow, look at gold. Bottom right. So price did get back up to that 50%, as we can see, up into the 22s. But I was looking for that bigger move up to the 93.25s. Price, of course, turned around. And let's see the candle. There was a candle which was a tell. It was 42, was it? About 42. It would have been this candle. So on the close of this candle, this was a signal to go short. It would have been aggressive short, but it was a short, which should have meant me taking off this for a loss and going short. And with that short, I'll be targeting the previous day's low down here at 51. So it would have been a short from there all the way down to there. And that's independent of the short I did take here all the way down to that 88. So I didn't take that short. Instead, I held the long all the way through. And then eventually, after we closed below the, this is a weekly low from not last week, but the week before, continue lower. That's when I finally decided to get out for that minus 26 loss. So should not have lost that much through there, but I did from mismanagement. And that's pretty much it. So been streaming here. It's just about an hour. I could round it up to 2 hours, but I'm not going to take any more trades. I've got some things to do away from the trading. So we'll bring over the trade performance. Over on the trade performance here. We're just going to click generate. Shouldn't take that long. So as we can see, started the day positive, was up 12. First NQ trade, got up to 14. From our highs at 14, drew down a fair bit, down 25. Through a series of winners, we're going to end the day up 32. Analysis page, the summary page. Over on the summary page, we can see gross profits on all trades. So longs were positive. Shorts were positive, lost more on our longs than our shorts. Profit factor 1.67. Ideally like it to be 2 or higher, but we'll take it. Let's see, accuracy above 50%. A little bit surprised with that. Average win versus average loss. So positive risk reward despite having being less accurate seems to be working for me at the moment. So almost 1-to-1, but in the positive. Average win to loss 1.2. Largest win to largest loss, twice the size, and that's what I'm looking for with this new strategy. Looking for the bigger wins in comparison to the losses. So it's about twice the size, so that's good in that sense. And time in the market 21 minutes. A little bit shorter than yesterday, where I think I was in about 54 minutes. So 21 minutes. I'm not going to complain too much. So I do expect to be in the market for at least 20 minutes on this new strategy. And that's pretty much it. So with that said, thanks for watching.